Hi all, welcome to Learn with Abdul Basit. You have installed CCTV cameras but unable to get the proper maintenance for that. Until now you have not installed CCTV cameras and you are worried about the amount you are going to spend on the project. Need not worry. In today's video, I'm gonna share some tips with you by which if you follow you could be able to save a lot of amount in the installation of CCTV. First, the main thing which comes in installation is the number of cameras. Many people, they will blindly go for a number of cameras. Like assume you have to install a CCTV camera just for your parking area, but you would be going for a 4-channel project or 8-channel project or something like that. So the main thing which gonna save you in your entire project is the total number of cameras. So I'll start with the least one. First, if you have any requirement which is only for one camera, I suggest you to go for a single Wi-Fi camera. A Wi-Fi camera is a camera, it doesn't needs any DVR, any NVR or any other device to be connected with. It can be connected directly to the power supply and we can insert memory card in that and you could be able to retrieve the data. This gives you a lot of savings. First, one camera, you can go for a single Wi-Fi camera. If you need multiple cameras, then comes the DVR or the NVR part. So it's up to you. You have to decide first how many cameras do you need. If you need only one camera, I suggest you to go for only one Wi-Fi camera. And the memory card, it depends on you. You can go for 32 GB, 64 GB, 128 GB, or according to a number of days you would like to get the data. This gives you a lot of savings on the project. You would be spending only on the cameras part, the DVR part, the cabling part, the hard drive part, and all the other accessories which are required in normal DVR installation or NVR installation would be skipped in this project. So if your requirement is only for one place, only for one area, I suggest you to go for one single Wi-Fi camera. Then let's go for 2 cameras. If your requirement is for 2 cameras, I'm gonna tell you about the analog cameras now. You have to go for a 4-channel DVR. The entire setup will be included in that. A DVR of 4-channel, a hard drive of 500 gigabytes, power supply unit, cable, connectors, each and everything. So up to 4 cameras, you may go for 4-channel DVR. And if you would like to go for 5 cameras, 6 cameras, 7 cameras, you have to go for 8-channel DVR. Like that, if your cameras are more than 8, you have to go for 16. So in analog, if there are multiple cameras, you can go for 4-channel, 8-channel, 16-channel and 32-channel. But in this, what will happen? How many cameras you are installing? All the camera cables would be coming to the DVR. In this, you would be losing a lot of amount on cabling part. The cameras are okay, the DVR is okay, the hard drive is okay, the power supply is okay, each and everything is okay, but you would be losing a lot on the cabling part. So to avoid that, what you can do, you can switch to IP cameras. IP cameras, there is no need for running a cable directly from the camera to the NVR. What you can do, you can run a single cable from the NVR and connect it to any switch or any network device, and from that network device you can split to the camera. Assume, I'm gonna quote an example for that. Assume your DVR is on ground floor and you need cameras on each and every floor. There is a project of G+3 building. So on ground floor, one camera is coming. On first floor, another camera. On second floor, another camera. And on third floor, like that, another camera. So in analog, what will happen? From third floor, you have to run a cable to the ground floor, a solid cable from the camera to the DVR. In second floor, the same thing. From second floor, you have to run a cable to the ground floor. And from first floor, you have to run a cable to the ground floor. And from ground floor camera, you have to run another cable to the ground floor DVR. So in this, what will happen? You will be losing a lot on the cabling part. But in IP, it will not happen like that. What you can do, you can put NVR on the ground floor. From NVR, you can run a single cable to first floor or second floor. Again, from there, you can connect IP camera and you can connect that cable which has come from the NVR to the second floor. You can connect one network switch there, like PoE switch. From PoE switch, you can run a cable to the first camera. Again, from that same PoE, you can run the cable to the second camera. Again, from that PoE, if you would like to extend the length, you can run a single cable to another PoE. There again, you can connect multiple cameras. So in IP, we are saving a lot on cabling part. No matter IP is costlier than analog cameras, but the cabling part would be very easy and you would be saving a lot on the cables. So these are some of the tips I recommend you to follow, and you would be able to save a lot of amount. You might have seen a number of videos on CCTV installation analog, CCTV installation IP and Wi-Fi camera like that. But this video is completely different from all the other videos. In this video, I have discussed about the savings and how to save and what exactly you have to do before installation. Many people, they want one camera also, they will go for 4-channel DVR setup. In that case, what will happen? You will end up losing amount on DVR, hard drive, cabling and all the other parts. There is no requirement for the second camera. Even then you have to install a 4-channel DVR. In future you might be requiring, but at that time your requirement is only for one camera. So what will happen? You will end up in losing amount on DVR, hard drive, power supply, cabling and all the other things. Case, you may go for Wi-Fi camera. A Wi-Fi camera is a very portable camera. It can be connected anywhere. Just it needs a power supply to be connected. It comes with a power adapter of 12 volts, 5 volts. Different companies comes with different power adapters. You have to fix the camera and connect the adapter to the power supply and connect the camera. And just you have to insert the memory card. And if you have any Wi-Fi connection in your premises, you can pair that camera with the existing Wi-Fi and you can monitor it throughout the world, anywhere, wherever the internet is working. In the next video, I'm gonna show you the different types of cables used in CCTV setup. If you like this video, if you find this video's information useful, I request you to please like my videos, subscribe my channel and share it with others. Thanks for watching my videos. Have a good day.